Hello, this is Sandy Morgan with Almost Anything LLC and DataClick e-commerce to accounting solutions. Occasionally in QuickBooks Online, you'll run into a situation where there will be a negative deposit that's needed to put into QuickBooks. QuickBooks does not allow you to create a negative deposit, but there is a workaround in order to record that deposit so that your reconciliation on your bank statement will be correct. In this example, this customer uses Shopify for e-commerce sales, and you can see that the payout amount for this deposit is a negative rather than a positive. And that's because that there was a refund that was greater than some of the charges. So what you need to do in order to record this in your QuickBooks is we need to make a journal entry. And basically what we're doing is we're making a journal entry to offset the deposit so that it's zero. So if we go up into journal entry, the first account that you're going to want to select is your undeposited funds, because this is where we're going to match it up with the existing refunds and charges that are already sitting in undeposited funds. So what you want to do is you want to deposit the entire amount that the payout is going to be. So in this case, it's $203.18. On the second line, you'll want to select the bank account where the undeposited funds are sitting in, so you can save and close that journal entry. Next, go back into your bank deposit, and you can see now that here's the journal entry, and then we want to select all the additional items that will zero that particular journal entry out. So in this case, we have order 2421, which is down here. We have the refund for 2414 and all the adjustments to go along with it. And you can see that leaves us with a negative 584. The reason for that in this particular case is it takes into account the adjustments, which was Shopify giving credit for the fees that were taken out for this refund. So you have the 844, and then you minus the normal fees that would be taken out for the regular charge. So the balance between that is the 584. So what you want to do down here is you want to select your Shopify fees account, expense account, and just put in the amount in order to offset it. So you can see now that we have a $0 deposit. So how it will show up, because this journal entry used the bank account to create a negative 203.18, that's what will match up in our bank feeds and on our bank statement when we go to reconcile it. So that's it. Now the next thing that you'd want to do is, if those charges come into the banking feed, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you either match it up with the journal entry, or you can exclude it from your bank feed, just to make sure that you do not do a duplicate entry for the 203.18 or the negative amount that's going to be taken out of your bank account. So that's how you handle a negative deposit in QuickBooks Online. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. These orders from Shopify, by the way, have been automatically synced between Shopify and QuickBooks Online using a product called DataClick e-commerce to accounting solution. And it's a wonderful software program, and it automates all of the e-commerce sales from various platforms, Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and puts those sales automatically through DataClick into your QuickBooks Online. So it's a wonderful program that I highly recommend.